Yes, this is our patient. Okay, she is Amy. She's a Chinese girl, and she has a very high forehead, and she has came here to Glojas to get Dr. Jas help on how to lower down her hairline. So Dr. Jas and Dr. Ali have suggested to her its best way is to do a hair transplant.
So this is the patient who did hair transplant about 4 days ago. Today is day 4. Indication of hair transplant here is lowering the hairline. Now this is the design that she wanted. We fill out all the graft in here. So to this day 4, the graft all in the right direction and she have healed well.
She will speak in Chinese to explain about her experience and how she felt, what she feels now.
大家好，我今天在这边做了一个植发手术，也是服务态度特别好，还有护士各方面。手术过程呢，医生对你的关心也是很好的，所以大家有需要植发的可以来这边做一个咨询。有中国的朋友不懂英语的话也是没有关系，因为这边的护士他们非常热情，然后也非常有耐心。这个植发手术我非常满意，很开心在这边做了一个植发，谢谢。
So she's very happy with what the drawing they have done and her frontal coverage. So she's just sharing her experience. Thank you very much, Amy.